Hey, welcome to Nighthawk video. I'm going to try to make a little Christmas ornament for you. Keeping into the little stream that we have of making some Christmas stuff right about now. So what we're going to try to make is a little birdhouse. The very first thing we need to do is make a little bird. Because what's a birdhouse without a bird? You just put two rods together, let it droop down, that's the body of a bird. Pull a little tail off. And let's see. Let's have a little yellow bird. Glass up, fold it over, make a little wing. Do the same thing on the other side. Glass on, pull it over, make a little wing. If you guys ever out there and you want to make a comment on something you'd like to try to see made, if I can make it, I'll make it for you. If you got any questions, ask them in the comments. I will get back to you. No doubt. There's our little bird. You want to simply burn off the end there and make a little head for him. And on that, you just burn it off and let it droop down. The little head is made. And a little beak. One bird. And now we have a bird. We just need our bird house. So we're going to heat up a piece of glass. And flatten out the end of it. Now I'm going to do what I call a pull and push and pull stitch. Just attach the rod to it, pull and push all the way around. Now if you come up level, then she's going to go straight up. Then you start to give it a little bit of 45. She'll start coming out. Come on down. Then we're going to heat that up all the way around. Get a little even heat on it. Just kind of push her flat. And that's going to be like the roof of the birdhouse. Hopefully. Now what we want to do is we want to come inside that so the roof overhangs the house. You want to come in here, same thing, it's a push and pull stitch. It's going to go all the way around. When you get about half your birdhouse finished, where you want it, you want to leave an opening. Go around. Then you want to stretch across that opening. And then continue on. And that's where we're going to open it up for our little birdhouse door. And you start turning it up, bringing it in. And then just kind of heat that up and let it droop in a little bit. Now, that's a fine line. Got a little carver. And heat that little hole up we made. Open it up a little. We have a little birdhouse. Every birdhouse has got to have a perch. We'll make a little perch. Keep the belly of the bird up. Put him on the perch. He's over the birdhouse. The rod that we actually held on to make it will turn into a little hook at the top. We don't kill our birdhouse. Put it on a little hook with our little birdie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video as much as possible because we got a long way.